I'm Ciarán McGullivane and I'm from the West Belfast language plan here, Fáilte Football, and we've convened Irish language groups from across the city here today to develop a new anti-racism charter for Belfast and for the Irish language groups within Belfast. This has taken place as part of a broader festival that's been organised by the Heritage Project in Spórtlann, hÉireann, that is aiming again to try and recommit to our internationalist outlook and really recommit Irish language groups and the Irish language community in particular around anti-racism and who it is we are, what our values are. And I think it's really important that we do that now. We've seen over the last couple of years the rise in kind of the far right, and we're adamant that they don't gain a foothold in communities like this, and that we once again express our internationalist outlook, our solidarity with migrants, with people of colour, with people who are marginalised and on the fringes of society. And we don't allow these people who are, in essence, fake patriots to wrap themselves in the flag and pretend that they are representing nationalist Ireland, when that's not the case. The big current of nationalist Ireland has always been that internationalism, that solidarity, that looking out for the oppressed, and that's what we are here to do, to recommit that, and also to look at what practical steps we can do moving forward to ensure that A, people that are finding themselves living here for different reasons feel themselves welcome, that they have access to our language and culture and everything else, and B, that we meet the challenge of the far right and that we face them head on and we don't let them get a foothold here.